Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. But please note there's a second version of the A9 out there, the A9 Plus. It's bigger and it's a bit different here to insert a microSD card. So this video is for the basic A9. Okay, first of all you will need next to the tablet the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So if you open the box like this, so here's been the tablet in previously, you will find another white box. Just open it like this, remove the stuff here, and at the bottom you will see now the SIM ejection tool. Just for the rings. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the tablet like this, you will find now on the side of the tablet the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Can you see that? And with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you will enter it right now. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the A9 you have two versions, one with SIM card and one without SIM card, so only Wi-Fi. If you are having only Wi-Fi, you will have a SIM tray like mine with a black plastic here in front. In case you can insert a SIM card, you have here the chance instead of the black plastic. Okay, but for both cases it is always the same with a microSD card, so let's start. It's always here at the end. So this is how it should look like then. It only fits like this. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you're ready, just insert the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. So the written words are to the display side. Now, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, like to transfer now data from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.